I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to create these Easter eggs out of old plastic eggs. Let's get started. To complete this project, you're going to need some plastic eggs, some texture medium, some Mod Podge, some craft paint, paintbrush, and some napkins that have some Easter designs on them that you want to use. I like these bunnies these napkins have. And I'm going to use some finishing dark colored paste wax. I'm going to take some of the texture medium and squirt it out. Then I'm going to make sure that my egg is closed, and you could mix paint with this, but I'm going to do it in a two-step process. Just going to paint it around on the egg. My goal here is to give it enough texture that it will cover up the lines where the opening is and just make it look more interesting than a flat egg. I've got that half done. I'm going to then set it inside an egg carton so it can dry, and once it's dry I'll take it out and do the other half. The texture medium has dried on the eggs, so I'm going to coat the bottom half of the eggs. The eggs are dry now, and I'm going to go ahead and put another coat of the texture medium on them. I think that evened it out and it looks a lot better. Let that dry, then I'll do the other half of that egg after that is dry. Now I'm going to paint the bottoms of the eggs a second time. The eggs are completely dry, and I'm going to put a coat of antique white paint on them, and again I'm going to just do one half at a time. Once that's dry, I'll come back and I will paint the other half. I've got this Easter napkin, and I'm going to unfold it and pick out which bunny I like. I'm going to choose this bunny here, so I'm going to cut around the bunny. And then, because I don't want the edges to be square like that, I'm going to just rip very carefully all the way around the edge. I'm going to take the egg that is dried. I'm going to spray some Mod Podge onto the egg, and then take the bunny and place it over the egg. And then spray it again. I just smooth that out with my fingers. I'm going to go ahead and spray the whole egg with the Mod Podge. And then set that aside to dry. And then I will choose a different bunny for the next egg. I've got this purple bunny here for the next egg. And again, I'm just going to very carefully tear around the edges. I'm going to spray some Mod Podge on. Place the bunny on. I'm spraying the Mod Podge everywhere so it will be consistent in its look. For my last egg, I've chosen this green bunny. The eggs are all dry now, and I'm going to add a little bit of this paste wax. Just going to rub it in and then rub it back off real fast so it doesn't create a real dark look. Just enough to give it an antique look and maybe get a little bit of the dark wax in the grooves to make it look old. So you can compare the difference between a waxed egg and a non-waxed egg. If you don't want them to look old and grungy, you could skip the dark wax and instead just put on another coat of Mod Podge or maybe a coat of Johnson's paste wax to give it a finish. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.